Lisa Mbolovina, my name is Viliame Turagavou. I was nominated under the sports category by the Blue Light Women's team from Lami, and I'm currently with the Nasebo Rugby Club, which is also here in Lami Village. I've spent more than 16 years doing fitness and also coaching for nearly all the sports, from rugby, netball, volleyball to athletics. I've coached teams including under 18s, the under 21s, women's and men's team. For the past 3 years, I've been involved with rugby at the club level here in Suva. The Prime Minister's Youth Award is very important to us youth. It shows that we've been recognized not only by the government but by the Prime Minister himself, and also it encourages all those coaches and trainers out there at the grassroots level to continue doing what they're doing, even though at times we don't get the recognition. And I hope that one day they would receive the same awards that we are here for today. My plans is to continue coaching and training athletes at grassroots level for the next 3 years. And I'm grateful and thankful for the awards that are being given out by the Prime Minister and also the ministries that are involved. And I'm also thankful to the teams that I've been coaching and also training for the past 16 years of coaching and training athletes. Thank you.